think that looks good.
All right.
We got a little bit more candy. What are we gonna do with it?
I know what we're gonna do.
Eat it.
That's what I thought.
What?
Eat it.
You gonna eat it?
Mm-hmm.
What are we doing today, Junior?
Jonas, what are we making today?
Gingerbread House.
Is this a Paw Patrol gingerbread house?
Yes.
Are you so excited?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, can you take everything out?
I want one.
Take everything out the box.
Oh, big candy.
What is it?
Candy.
Candy.
I love candy.
Oh, candy.
Okay, take everything out.
I see what's going on here.
Oh, more candy. Yummy.
Ooh, what's all that?
And it's the Paw Patrol gingerbread house.
Nice.
Mom, I want to eat some candy.
Yes, you will eat candy, but first we gotta build the house. And I think Mommy has to warm up the frosting. So here's the directions.
And here's the ball. Dad, did you hear that noise?
Yes. What do you think it is?
It's Gingerbread House.
A gingerbread house, yes. Good job.
Dad, I want to eat some candy.
Well, we can't eat those candies because that candy goes to the gingerbread house.
Cause I want to eat all the candy.
I told you, eating too much candy is bad for you.
But I want this
It makes you
candy
sick.
and this candy and this candy and this candy
Your
and this
teeth
candy.
are gonna be rotten. So, let's build this gingerbread house. And then
Now you
after
gotta
you eat
soften
your
the
meals,
icing.
you can have one candy. But only one.
I want this one.
That goes, all those candies go to the gingerbread house. You got other candy you can eat, but that candy you cannot eat.
But I want to eat this candy.
We're gonna put it in the gingerbread
We
house.
gotta melt the icing. We gotta keep going
I
like
want
this.
this one. I want
Mommy
to
need to
eat
get some
candy.
foil.
Okay. That
So
one
I
you
can
could
eat
probably
this one.
have. One only.
Dad, I can't eat this one.
No, not that one.
I want to eat this one. And I want to eat this one.
How about you eat the other one?
How about this one? This one.
That one?
I want this one.
Now let's see what this gingerbread house consists of. So we're supposed to do this gingerbread house like it looks right here. I don't know if we gonna be able to do that, but we sure gonna try.
Let's try.
The gingerbread pup house.
Okay, Mommy got us the...
Paw Patrol, huh? Ooh.
Ooh, that's
Ooh. Okay, I guess we're not gonna make a mess. That's good.
good. I want bubbles.
Okay, first we gotta put the house together and then you
I
can
don't
pick
want
the
this one.
Okay, how about we think about the candy
Dad,
later
I want
and let's...
bubbles.
Okay, first
Okay.
we gotta put the house together and then we'll do the candy. So we're gonna put the candy to the side
Okay.
and we're gonna put the house together first and then we're gonna do the candy, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna take out all the pieces. We gotta be very careful.
Yes. Dad, so very careful.
Okay.
We're gonna eat the gumballs and with this.
And after you eat your candy, you brush your teeth.
Yeah, I can't eat the gumballs.
Okay.
So it's like this.
Oh, one of our things already broken.
Oh no! Mom, that broke? Oh, it's okay.
This is why we gotta be very careful.
So, don't be slow. So, we can't steal too much.
Right.
Okay, I got the gumballs. Now I got these candy.
This was the piece.
Now I can't eat it. Okay, now it's it.
I think I know how
I
to piece it
want
together
this.
with marshmallow. You gonna eat that? No, we're probably gonna eat that. Well, okay. I guess go ahead, Johnny. Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Mom just gotta make the icing a little bit more soft.
And how you gonna do that, Mommy?
With your hand, so you just go like this and it just softens the icing.
Okay. Let's look who's up here for a minute. Who is that?
Gingerbread House is
It's Skippy the elf.
Skippy House right there.
He's hanging on the ceiling.
Yeah.
That's not the ceiling, that's the fan.
I mean the fan. Sorry, silly daddy. You know I'm always silly.
Dad, I want to eat gumbos.
Okay, Jenny, but we're gonna build the house first and then we'll talk about the candy.
Okay.
We can't talk candy when you eat candy. Now put the pieces together. Let's put the pieces in it.
I think for the most part it's soft.
Put them together.
Okay.
All right, we gotta be very careful with the pieces, Johnny.
Okay, I can do this.
We gotta put the icing to hold it together first. There we go.
So we got this door over.
Snooky, be careful because it's not fully put together yet. Okay.
Blue candy, white candy, yellow candy, pink candy, orange candy, and gold candy.
Ooh, nice colors. So white is blanco,
Mm.
orange is anaranjado,
Hello.
yes, and pink is rosado,
Hello.
yellow is
Yellow.
amarillo,
I can eat.
red is rojo, azul is blue.
I want this one.
How many stars you give it?
We got a
1 out of
yellow
5.
peppermint.
Ooh, yellow.
Yummy.
Don't eat it. I'm opening them. We got a red peppermint.
No, that's pink.
It's like burgundy, but you're right. We got a
Okay.
green peppermint.
Green, pink, and red, and yellow.
Got an orange
Orange,
peppermint.
pink, green, yellow.
Got another pink or red.
Pink or red?
Magenta.
Magenta. Pink or red is rojo.
Another one. Okay.
Pink or red is rojo.
So now we have all our candy. So now we're gonna decorate the house.
Okay.
I'm gonna add some of those.
Mm-hmm.
Should we put them on the roof?
Oh, it does.
Oh.
Now I can eat these ones.
Okay, but we supposed to decorate the house. You like one for the house, one for my mouth, one for the house. What color was that one?
Red,
Good job. And then what color is that one?
blue,
What color is that one?
orange,
Orange and anaranjado.
What color is that?
pink,
No,
It's purple.
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 Morado. Purple.
Oh, I want to eat this one.
Go ahead.
And what color is that? The one you got in your hand, mister. What color are those?
Red,
Red, rojo,
Green.
green, verde.
What happened to decorating the house?
Mm-hmm. Whatever you say, Mom.
Okay, we put some more on the house. What color is this?
Okay, no more eating.
green.
All of them go to the house.
Petro?
My hair?
Something like right here.
We've Patrol at the door.
You're protecting the house. I think that looks good.
All right.
We got a little bit more candy. What are we gonna do with it?
I know what we're gonna do.
Eat it.
That's what I thought.
What?
Eat it.
You gonna eat it? Okay. You can.
They're gonna give you a stomach ache, and that's gonna hurt your tummy. Did you know that, or you want to learn the hard way? The hard way it is.
Was this fun? Did you have fun making a gingerbread house?
Yeah, but I want this.
Okay.
All right. Let's say bye to YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Thank you for watching.
If you watching,
And please subscribe.
please subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
Smile. Say cheese.
Please.